Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to Merlin's Bonkers. Merlin is one of the finest tool available out there which enables you to generate images with AI. That plus it offers an extension which helps you in writing, summarizing the text, plus also you can get help with the code and you can also play around with it. The focus of this video is Bonkers by Merlin. Bonkers by Merlin is a tool which enables you to generate images from your text in the most simplest way possible. So let's get started and see how Bonkers work. First thing you need to do is to sign up with your free email account, and it's free at the moment, trying it out I mean. Once you log in to Merlin's website, just click on add Merlin extension here and it will add it to your browser. Once you click on that add extension, it will take you to this website. And one thing to make sure that it only works in Chrome as far as I know, because I have tried it out on Edge and Firefox, didn't work. But in the Chrome, you get this option of add to Chrome here, as you can see. So let's click here. And then just simply click on add extension. And then it is going to load this page for you, and you can see that I'm logged in with my email address, and I haven't used any queries yet, and I'm signed up with complimentary plan, which is absolutely free. But you can also have the starter plan for around 14 US dollars and boost plans with unlimited queries, and then there is also an elite plan. Now you can scroll down to read more about these plans, because one of the best thing about this is that it supports not just GPT-4 but a lot of other models, including the open source ones, the Mistral, Leonardo, and various others. So you can read through it, and then if you look here, you can see that you can either do Control M from your keyboard or click here in order to open this. And once you click on it or you press Control plus capital M, you'll be presented with this widget in visit your browser, and here you can use Merlin to chat with your documents. You can chat with this web page. You can have simple generic chatbot, or you can go with astrologer if you want. But let's go with generate images, which we need. And this is another thing, but we're not going there. Let's click on generate images, and then now let me ask it something. I'll just ask it a man riding horse, and then you can see that it is saying that everything has to be perfect, even pixels, they are getting ready. And there you go, it took around 10 to 20 seconds and has produced this gem of an image. And how easy it is and how cool it is to just use this extension within your browser and generate it. And now let me give it a harder prompt here. So it is a bit long, I just got it generated from ChatGPT. So I have asked it, imagine a scene in a futuristic city at twilight. The city is a blend of high tech and art deco architecture. So if you look at this, what is happening here is that this prompt is the blend of high tech and art deco, and the scene captures a sense of description with its vivid colors, bustling street market, and the dynamic mix of people. Let's see if it is able to do that and what sort of image it generates. And there you go. I mean, it's a futuristic city, perfectly fine. Amazing stuff. Look at the colors, look at this vividness, the lights which are going through, what an attention to detail. Let me give it another one. So here I am asking it a different question which combines a sort of, I would say, the fashion, the architecture, and a lot of other charisma around it. So it is more like the scene more captures the ethereal and magical qualities. So let's see if it is able to do that. Let's wait for it to load. There you go. Amazing stuff. Very, very nice. Now another thing I wanted to show you is the API access. Once you log into Merlin's website, you can see that they give you a test API key like this. I haven't used it. I'll delete it after this video. Now, once you have that API, You can just use this Node.js code, insert your API key here, and then you can send it to Merlin API and then chat with it. As you can see here, they are using GPT 3.5 Turbo, but you can use open source model, GPT-4, and various other models. So really cool stuff. Very impressed by it. So that's it, guys. Let me know how you go. If you are looking for the simplest way to generate text using AI, then generate image by using text in AI, then Bonkers by Merlin is the way to go, in my humble opinion. So go ahead, try it out, share your experience in the comments, and let me know how you go. Or if you're aware of any similar product, let me know and I'll be happy to review it too. If you already are subscribed, then thank you. If you're not, please subscribe and also share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated.